Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 9 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the room tags, and then we started adding the second floor. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I'm planning to do is to add doors so that we know where to go and we can visualize. So here I'm just gonna add it right there. So underlay is still turned on. If you go to your properties, you can turn it on by putting in the range base level to level 1, and then as you can see, you can still select, for example, the door, and then you can click on or type in CS, and it will basically add, you'll be able to add it instantly, and because of that it will make your life easy. So for example, here I could add the door for the elevator, and then I just need to go to annotate again and then click on detailed line. And then here we could just add in a big X right about here, indicating that this is open below. And then you can even add a text. So we could add a text right now. So here I'm gonna select this, and then we could put open below, and then it should be all caps. So I'm gonna highlight everything and then select here. We can make this one bigger. If we go to drop in, we have 7 millimeters right here, so we could just add that. If you don't have, you can select that, edit type, duplicate, and then you could just change it from here. So whatever you change here, that's your name. So for example, you want 8 millimeters, duplicate, put the name 8 millimeters, Arial, which is the font, and then here you could just change it. So that's how you create text, and then you could change it as well. So here I could just add this text right here, because once we turn off the underlay, it won't be able to see this. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it there, and then let's again add all the doors. So here I'm gonna add a door right here. We will have the meeting room, or we could have the boardroom right here. We have an office right here, and then we have a washroom right here, and then another rooms that we could add, and then here we could just add the door right about here, and we could add one door as well right here, so that they could instantly exit in case there's a fire. So they could exit the door right here. And then what we could do here is we don't need this one, but this one is from the up, so let's just leave it like that for now. And then things that I'm gonna add is this one for the washroom, so I'm gonna add, and then the toilet as well, CS on that, and then add it right here. And then we just need to add some details right here so that we have everything added properly. So we could just add it right there, push it right here, and then there we go. And then what we could do is we could add the same row right here. So we could just CS on that and then keep on adding right here. I just want to add all of this right here, and then we could just add the chairs. We could just add it right here. And then now we could just copy those. So I'm just gonna keep on copying. So make sure to click on multiply. And then we have blackboard right here. And then here, let's add the same thing. So I'm gonna add, this is the general managers. So I'm gonna add something like that to indicate there's an L shape. So here I'm just going to align this one so that we have an L shape, and then we could just edit this one. Let's duplicate this and then change this width to probably 2500. So let's just double that and then align it on the wall. And then here we could grab this one and then add it right here. So the reason that we're adding this one, because this is the general manager's office, and obviously it's bigger than the regular. And then here we could just keep on adding. So as you can see, we're adding it really fast because we're using CS, and then we're just highlighting the positions and then putting it in the same spot. And then in order for us to view it much better, I think it's better if we turn off the underlay. So I'm gonna turn off the underlay and see how it looks. I know you guys are getting confused because of that, but as you can see now, everything looks much better. And then let's not forget that we have more space right here. So I'm gonna go to insert, load family, and then we have more furniture right here, and then we could put tables, and then let's add in a circular. So here we could add this, override CM, and then we can add it right there. And then here we could add back and forth. So we have a training, and then we have something that looks like this. This is for the boardroom. And then we just need to add somewhere right here, and then people right here. And then select this one, move it a little bit, and then mirror draw axis. We could use that so that we don't need to keep on adding. We can also add some TV right here. So let's load those. Go back here under furniture. We have flat screen. Click on open, cm, and then let's just add it right here, and then select that. We could change it to the biggest size that we have right here, so at least it will just show that there's a TV right there, and it will look nicer if we add that. And then I believe we have a space right here as well, because we need to add somewhere right here, because we have a lift. So let's go to level 2 again, and then let's turn on the underlay again, so that to see where we're missing. And I believe we just need to add that space there, add this one as well, this door, so that we could access this spot. And then here we could just need to add the same layout, and then we want to make sure that nothing is. And then here just CS and add it there, and then select this one. We could put a cross right there, and then we need some space right here. We need a door as well. The door needs to face like here, so that once they rush, they could just push this one right there. And then here we could just add in some storage. This one could be storage area. It could also be the compressor area, so anything that's mechanical as well, it could be placed right here. So this one we could just leave it like that. So now let's turn off the underlay again by putting this to none, and then let's basically add the room tag as well, and then add the lifts, stair, this could be corridor, so that this will be training, boardroom, and here actually I think it's better to have this one as a meeting area. So I'm just adding the same thing, but changing the things that are added there. And then select all of this again, and then mirror this, and then add the room tag. We could just put second floor storage. This one I forgot if this is the lift 1, lift 2, and then stairs. So this will be lift 1, lift 2, and then this will be stairs 1, Control C, and then Control V, so that we could just change it to the number. And then here, corridor, and then here training room, and then here we could put the general manager, meeting room, and then we have boardroom right here. And then we could have our accounting here, our fleet manager, and then we also have washroom right here. Probably 5 or something. And then here we could change this to accounting, so that there's more people there, and office people can just ask instantly if they are able to buy the car, check their credits, and those kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna review what we have right now. I'm going to add in a floor, so let's go to level 2 and then click on floor, and then edit type, duplicate. Let's put this one at, so we could change the material for now. We could put a wood material, and then just pull it up, apply, OK, and then OK, and then select this rectangle, and then let's just add rectangle right here, and then we're just going to extend this or go around here. Trim and extend, type in TR for that, and then we're just trimming around here, and then also right here. Select finish, and then here what we can do is this should be up to level 2 only, but this one, this is up to level 3. It needs to be up to level 2, but right here we need to add, so that's the only problem, is that I added this as level 3, should be up to level 2 for now. Delete rooms, and then we could just add it later on. So 2 to 3 now, CS, and then just add it all the way there. So that's how it should be. So level 2 to level 3, interior wall. I want to double check how it looks. So now it's divided right like that, and then now this one is connected, should be connected. 2 to 3, and then let's see if we could just add the room again, and then here corridor, and then training room. And then we added the floor, so the floor is good. We have the floor there showing. We need to add the glass here, because that's the reason that we have it right there. And then we set up this one is because of the, so click on wall and then drop down curtain wall, we're gonna add a wall right here, a curtain wall right there, and then right here. And then we could add a curtain wall right here as well. Even though this is a training room, at least they could visualize what they're showing there. And then go to modify, cut geometry, select the wall first and then the curtain wall. And then if we double check, it will look like that. We just need to drop it down a little bit because we don't want it to be going all the way up there. AL, so that everything is similar height, and right there. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.